Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on this device. So first of all, open the settings, then find and select Accounts and Backup, and here you will notice backup data under Google Drive. So when you have your account added, let me just turn off and delete. When you have your account added, you will see this panel, and now all you have to do is to click on Turn On. And that's it. It is applied, and your device backs up data automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. And if your account is not added here, you will have to provide your email address or phone number along with the password. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.